If you want to make a noun plural in English, you add an S or you learn the exceptions. There are a few exceptions. It's pretty straightforward in English. In German, though, the bottom line is you have to memorize the plural forms. There are some patterns, however, that you will recognize. There are 5 major patterns for making a noun plural, so it's helpful to be familiar with them. So in the first lesson, you learned the first pattern, which is just change the article to die. Remember, die is the article for all plural nouns. So das Fenster, the window, die Fenster, the windows. Das Fenster, die Fenster, the window, the windows. Das Fenster, die Fenster. So in this lesson, we're going to learn the next pattern, which is simply add an E, or if there's a vowel, you add an umlaut to the vowel and then add the E. So let's look at an example. The friend, and this is a male friend, der Freund, der Freund. If you want to say the friends, well, this is the pattern where you add the E, so die Freunde, and remember you also have to change the article. It's always die for plural nouns, die Freunde, the friends. Der Freund, the friend, die Freunde, the friends. Let's look at an example in a sentence. My friend, mein Freund, my friend, mein Freund. My friend is, mein Freund ist, my friend is, mein Freund ist. My friend is nice, mein Freund ist nett. My friends, meine Freunde. Notice you add the E to the mine as well. So meine Freunde, my friends, meine Freunde, my friends, meine Freunde. My friends are, meine Freunde sind, meine Freunde sind. My friends are nice, meine Freunde sind nett. Meine Freunde sind nett. Meine Freunde sind nett. Okay, so remember the friend, der Freund, the friends, die Freunde. And that's it. Just remember the second pattern is add an E or an umlaut and an E. To continue learning, click on the video that appears here on your screen to go to the next lesson. See you soon. Bis bald.